Alright guys, got another one I just finished. This is the Brian's Eclipse from Fast and Furious, the Revell. This one I had the body painted, I think the base plate painted, and all the sub-assemblies done when I started. So I started putting the decals on, gave it a clear, and put everything else together. I should have some pictures to go with it, so that way you guys can see everything you can't see with this part of the build. This one was sitting in a box for probably about 4 years. Finally decided enough's enough and got it finished. The only problem I had is I'm missing the backup lights. Don't know where they're at, but they really don't need no backup lights. Alright, pop open the hood. Alright, so this one has the cold air intake, K&N cold air intake. There's the fancy color coordinated plastic cover and hoses in it. It's got the turbo down there. And that's about it for that. For underneath detail, I kind of just try to get some different color metals in there. Did a dry brush on the black base plate. Got the rattle can back there. That's pretty basic interior pictures I should have at the end. Pretty happy with them. Glad I finally got it done. I think this is the 6th model done for the year. Now I gotta try to figure out what I'm gonna do next. So until next time, talk to you guys later.